Hey guys, what is up? So I'm kinda sick, but I just wanted to show you guys this weird sound I make when I breathe really deep because I haven't made a video on this channel in a while. So I just wanted to show you the sound. So I just thought that was really creepy and demonish sounding. Didn't you think so? I hope I got close enough for you guys to hear that. Anyway, alright, I got a new video up on my main channel just for an audition for DreamX collab. But, yeah, so sorry I haven't made a video in a while. Haven't had a lot of extra time. I mean, on this channel, of course. But I love you, and I'll love you forever. Okay, bye.